Lavenders appreciate the little things in life the most, and they live at their own pace. They always watch every sunrise and every sunset, which is why they are so sleepy. They also love watching the butterflies, the bees, and the flowers move with the wind. Lavenders are as serene as a cloudless night sky, as soothing as rain, and as calm as a river. They are the most graceful, yet they are always sleepy at the same time, having a calming effect on everyone in their presence. You are never too late and never too early. You are right on time, right where you should be in life.
Wow.